Welcome to Createch's e-learning platform www.learnnew.org. If you want to grow up in your career in mechanical engineering industry, or if you are a college fresher who is striving for getting a job, you need to have these listed skill sets: GD&T, new product development, fixture designing, CAM programming, 7QC tools, inspection gauge design, 3D modeling, as well as finite element analysis. If you have the skill set of fixture designing, there is huge amount of opportunities in NPD as well as manufacturing engineering department or the production engineering department. At the end of this course, you will be able to understand the role of fixtures in manufacturing industry and knowing the primary functions of a fixture and its essential elements which are required for the fixture designing. You can design fixture components based on a given any industry part and creating conceptual designs for the same. You can create detailed manufacturing and assembly drawings using the GD&T with better dimensioning and tolerancing, and create any fixture for any kind of machines, starting from turning to the milling and the complicated 5-axis machines as well. Once you have successfully completed the course, you will be given a certificate from Createch, and this certificate is evaluated by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi. This is a central government organization, and this certificate is recognized by AICTE. You can enroll for this course by visiting learnnew.org, or you can scan this barcode and also you can enroll for this course.